So I created this animation using CapCut, and let me show you how I made it.
First of all, I uploaded a black picture for the background. After uploading it, I changed the size of the picture to rectangle. Then after that, I zoomed the picture out to fill the whole rectangle space. And then I set the duration to 10 seconds before adding my text. After adding the text, I set its duration to 7 seconds. After that, I added a keyframe to the beginning of the text, then moved it out of the screen. I moved forward on the timeline to about 4 seconds of the text and dragged the text back to the screen. Another keyframe was automatically added. So I moved to the end of the text and zoomed out the text. Another keyframe was added automatically again, and this is how I made the text slide into the screen and zoom out. So as you can see, that's the result of what I just did. So now I export this one and started a new project. For the new project, I uploaded a sky view picture for the background of the video. After uploading it, I also changed the size to rectangle, then I zoomed out the picture and scroll it to the left end of the screen. After scrolling to the left end of the screen, I highlighted the picture and set the duration to 13 seconds. Then I added a keyframe at the beginning of the timeline. I moved to the end of the timeline and moved the picture from the left side of the screen to the right. A keyframe was automatically added at the end of the timeline, creating the illusion that the sky was moving. So that's the result of the moving sky illusion. At this point, I added a bed sticker and moved it to start at the 4-second mark. I set its duration to about 4.5 seconds and made the bed smaller. At this point, I added a keyframe to the bed sticker and moved it out of the screen from the right side. Then I moved to the end of the bed sticker on the timeline and moved the bed from the right side of the screen to the left. Another keyframe was automatically added, creating the flying bed effect. After that, I added a plane sticker and set its duration to 13 seconds, which is the duration of the whole video. I positioned the plane on the screen, and after about 9 seconds, I added a keyframe on the plane sticker and dragged the plane out of the screen, creating the effect of the plane flying away. At this point, I just needed to add sound to the video, so I went to audio and searched for a plane sound. I found different plane sounds and played a few of them before choosing the one that fits my video. I added it to the video and trimmed the beginning until it matched perfectly. After adding the play sound, I wanted to add another background music, so I went back to audio and searched for plane. I already knew the sound I wanted, so I added it straight away. I discovered the sound was longer than the video, so I trimmed out the ending to match the video's duration, and that's how I created the animation, but it didn't end there. So now I exported the video and started a new project. On the new project, I uploaded the animation I just created. So after adding it, I went to overlay and added the text animation we created earlier as an overlay. After adding the overlay, I zoomed it in so it fit the entire screen. Then I selected the overlay on the timeline, went to remove background, tap chroma key, and placed the color picker on the text. This created a whole effect. Then I increased the intensity to 100, the shadow to 100, and set the feather edge to 32. Next, I moved to about 7 seconds marked on the overlay video where the text have already zoomed out and deleted the remaining parts of the overlay. At this point, the animation was completed, so I exported the video, and that is how I created the final animation.
Alright, that's how I created this animation. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please don't forget to like, comment and share. See you in the next one.